Hey friends, welcome to another quick Excel tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to freeze rows and columns so that they become headers and will actually scroll with you as you move around your spreadsheet. It really helps with labeling, helps you view your data appropriately. So what we're going to do again with this super simple spreadsheet is we're going to make this our top row, and I want that to freeze because that's what our labels are. Now, if you're on the home menu up here at the top, what you're going to do is you're just going to come over and click on View. And in View, again, Excel makes this really easy. Over here, you're going to find these freeze options. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Freeze Top Row. And watch what happens now. As I move down the spreadsheet, that row will go with me. And again, just helps me view my data with the labels right there. If you want to unfreeze, you can just come over here and click the unfreeze pane. Now, this is really cool in Excel in that you can freeze multiple rows. So let's say I wanted the first 3 rows to actually be frozen. Well, what I need to do is I need to click on the row below the ones that I want to freeze. And then we're going to come up here and we're going to click the freeze panes option. Once I do this, as you can see, the first 3 rows now become the frozen rows and will move down. Now, to freeze columns, it's the exact same thing. You can see we have a freeze first column option over here. And if I click on that, you're going to get a little thin gray line as an indicator. And it now moves as I scroll left or right. Again, if we want to freeze multiple columns, all I need to do is select the column and then we'll click freeze panes over here. As you can see, as I move, all 3 of those columns now move with me. It's pretty easy, but again, you just need to know where to look. Hopefully that's helped, friends. If it has, hit that thumbs up button for me and then subscribe and stay tuned because we got a ton of these Excel tutorial videos coming up soon. We will see you again on the next one.